It's a little-known fact that less than 3% of water on Earth is fresh water. The rest is locked in polar ice, living things, the ground and the sea. And with water scarcity a global issue of ever-increasing importance, how can we utilise desalination as part of a sustainable solution, turning seawater into clean and safe drinking water? On the Red Sea coast of Saudi Arabia, this process begins at the award-winning Shuqaiq 3 Independent Water Project, a $600 million investment currently under construction. The process begins with the marine water intake system. Seawater is pumped from submarine towers that are located more than 1.5 kilometers off the coast, through 3 large pipes that each have a diameter of 2 meters. Once at Shuqaiq 3, the water is passed through 30 graded sand filters, each finer than the last. This filtering process works in tandem with coagulant agents to attract any remaining large particles. Once the water has been removed of undesirable solid particles, it is sent to the next step of the pre-treatment system. Cartridge filters ensure that no particles higher than 5 microns remain in the water. Now that pre-treatment is completed, the next step is reverse osmosis. Replicating the natural process, but in the opposite direction, the water is forced through a membrane at high pressure, removing salts. Shuqaiq 3 will use over 7 kilometers of reverse osmosis pressure vessels, with more than 45,000 membranes working simultaneously to produce more than 18 million litres of pure water per hour. That's 450,000 cubic meters per day, or around 180 Olympic-sized swimming pools. After reverse osmosis, the now fresh water receives a balanced mixture of minerals to provide it with the proper qualities of drinking water. A final disinfection of the water is then conducted to preserve water quality during storage and distribution. The water is then tested to make sure it meets stringent water safety guidelines before reaching the public. When operational, the plant will serve over 1.8 million people and also provide water for agriculture and industry. The Shuqaiq 3 water treatment plant brings us one step closer to providing clean, safe drinking water to those facing water scarcity.